So this is Angsana, and we're going to Banyan Tree to have our dinner. Ganda pala ng mga lanterns sa gabi. Piti yung tubig, may lanterns na. Ito yung tambol, nung dumating kami. Tinatambol yan pag may bisita. Ganda, oh. Backdrop yung mga mountains. Angsana Langko. Oh, this is entrance to Banyan Tree, huh?
Yeah, this is Banyan Tree.
And that's the spa. And this is the main entrance. Laki ng property ng Banyan Tree, grabe. Oh, ni-request ko yung bagay, mag-stop muna. Oh, nice. This is a nice photo of the beach. Oh, wow. Such a big property. And that's Angsana, and this is Banyan Tree. Well, with Hilltop Villas. Ang dami. Ng property talaga, buong bundok kanya. Oh, this is the Saffron Restaurant.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wow. One of the best restaurants in this place is called Saffron.
Yeah, signature.
Wow, ganda naman itong Saffron Restaurant. And we're gonna be, hopefully we can eat here. And it's Thai food, right?
Yes,
Thai food, oh, okay. Oh, there, Saffron. Oh, all right. So, oh, look at this. Oh, really nice. And the best part is nobody's here. Yeah. Oh, wow. We're gonna be eating with. Oh, there's somebody on the right side, but still okay. Wow, so nice, so romantic. I'm sure it's gonna be expensive here, but it's okay. We can manage. Okay. So how do we go back to the hotel?
I'm waiting for you.
You wait for us? Really? Oh my God!
If you choose this restaurant for dinner, then
Yeah?
I come back, and when
Yeah.
you finish, the waiter will have you to come with me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna eat here.
See another restaurant. That's why I'm waiting for you here.
The Aqua Plus, you have discount for
I think.
how much?
Oh, sabi niya, marami daw pwedeng kainan. Kaya pala aantayin kami. Pero, I don't mind eating here. Dito na kami kakain. This is nice. Oh, this is complete ambience. Wow. Saka ng ibang restaurants. Ang bait naman nung nagatid sa amin. Mag-aantay pa daw. Okay na to, Berna. Okay, I think we're gonna eat here. Thank you, ah. Okay, yes, thank you. So we're going to have drinks here. And then later, we're going to eat inside. Ang ganda, oh. Okay. Ayan. Cocktail muna. Ganda naman ang backdrop ng mga mountains. Really so nice. Wow. Okay pala kumain dito. Nandito yung pangalan ko, Kun Rosler. Ikaw, anong nakalagay sa iyo dyan? Uy, ikaw naman, Kun Maria. Okay. Hey, that's the Vietnamese beer.
The can is like that, huh?
Very good. Sana masarap ang kanilang Vietnamese beer. Again, cheers to the good life. Okay, Kun Maria at Kun Rosler. Okay.
So we put so two more downstairs.
So,
downstairs.
oh, so they have 3 restaurants pala. Kainan natin lahat, Berna, no? 3 restaurants eh. Masyadong magandang service dito, ha? Oh, service is excellent, ha? I said service is excellent here. Yeah, excellent service. Yeah. Uy, may free appetizer. Kasoy. Oh, kailangan daw mag-wash muna ng hands bago mag-dinner.
Okay.
Oh. Ganyan pala dito sa Saffron. Just to make sure everything is hygienic, huh?
Okay, and then,
Oh, my turn to wash my hands? Okay.
nice smell.
Oh, what is this? I was washing my hands. What is this?
The orchid flower.
Orchid flower.
Yeah, and the
And
water
then
with
you
the
pour
jasmine oil.
while washing the hands.
Yeah,
Oh,
the jasmine oil.
very unique, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, tapos ito, may tuwalya raw. Oh,
I said the food.
ang daming libre, Berna. Busog na tayo sa libre. That's crackers.
Yeah, cracker. Welcome cracker.
Welcome cracker daw. Busog na tayo sa mga libre. Wala pa yung ano, dinner. Nabusog na tayo sa appetizer.
The cracker, we have a 3 kinds of chicken and
This is
pork.
spicy? Which is spicy?
And the spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah.
This one's spicy.
Medium spicy.
Medium spicy.
Yeah, and the no spicy.
No spicy.
And
Ah.
the spicy sauce,
Okay,
we have the green chili and
Ah.
the
Very good.
Thank you. We'll try it. Thank you.
Libre pa yan. Wala pa tayong binabayaran. Busog na. Sobrang naman spicy niyan, Berna. Di ba? Gusto mo? Masyadong spicy eh. Sobra. Can you say it again? This is another...
the second
This is
welcome
another
food.
appetizer.
Yeah.
Oh.
With the prawn, spring roll.
Oh,
Yeah,
spring
and-
rolls.
Yeah, spring roll inside. And come with the mayo and chili sauce.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Masarap siguro to. Ang daming libre, Berna. Busog na ako sa libre. Wow. Grabe, Berna, oh. Hot plate talaga. Mapapaso ka talaga. Super hot plate. Ayan yung food.
Oh, this is part of the...
May sibas with chicken curry, ah.
And chopping.
Oh, wow. Looks yummy.
Okay.
Bagong style ito, ah.
Oh, there's the...
From chicken curry, may kasamang sibas.
Pad Thai.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Ano si Pad Thai.
Yeah.
With the beef brown, tofu,
masarap.
peanuts, and some the banana molossus salad.
Okay.
And have some lime here for you if you
Okay.
want to more.
Kain na tayo.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And, for your main course, may I serve the steamed rice for you?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, what is that?
For kale steamed rice.
Oh, steamed rice.
All this for you.
Ah, ang galing naman ng presentation ito. Steam rice lang.
The first rice,
Kompleto.
we have the
Ang galing naman.
steamed rice.
Jasmine rice. Okay. Just little.
Oh,
Very
imagine,
little
ah.
in there. Yeah.
Rice lang ang binibigay na, pero everything's good, huh? No wonder mataas ang rating nito. Okay. Ganda.
Yummy local rice.
And that's brown rice. Piti brown rice, Berna.
Yeah.
Umorder ka rin ng brown rice? Akala ko white rice lang.
Lahat ng rice.
Oh, lahat ng rice.
Our restaurant prepare for you.
Okay. Brown rice is healthier than white rice. Correct? Oh, one more.
Yellow is the
Tatlong klaseng rice pala. That's saffron rice. Wow. Sa rice lang dito. Okay ka na. Mabubusog ka na. Oh, now I have 3 kinds of rice. White, brown, and saffron rice. Masarap ba yung kinakain mo? Ha? Natutuwa ako sa presentation nila dito. Oh, may 4 pa.
Pandan.
Oh my God.
Blue rice.
Blue. It's blue. Not
Let me
pandan
see.
rice.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
What is
blue
blue
rice.
rice?
Oh
Blue
my
rice
God.
is from the butterfly bee flower.
Beef flour?
Ano like the presentation.
Thank you.
Oh. Blue rice. Blue rice is made of what? What is it made of?
It's like from the blue bee flower.
Blue flower.
Blue bee flower.
Okay. Galing pala sa flower. Uy, nakahilera na, oh. 4 na rice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.